Sarah, and I am just going to quickly show you how to use up a whole heap of eggs. I've got 14 eggs here, and I'm going to make some little breakfasty type muffins, or these can just make really nice lunchbox fillers or something like that. So first of all, I'm going to crack all of these into a bowl.
Can I crack some?
So here we go, look at all those lovely little smeggies. Putting about a tablespoon of milk per egg, so in my case about 14 tablespoons. Get your helper to give it a mix. Also add about a teaspoon of salt into here. That's just a personal preference if you like a bit of salty with your egg. Chuck in some pepper as well.
If you like.
If you like. Now, just got a muffin tray. Just going to give each of these very light oil. What we do is, in each of these, I'm going to put whatever kind of veggies or flavours I want. I'm going to use a bit of diced up onion, I'm going to use some ham, a bit of tomato, some cheese. I've got some spinach that needs using up, I'm just going to use that, and I might grate a little bit of carrot as well. So, just go nuts, whatever you've got in your pantry that needs using. The reason I'm doing this is because I found all of these under our trailer, because our chickens are naughty. We found a hole in their fence and I found their hidey spot. It was Cashew. Cashew was laying the eggs under the trailer. There's a few ways of knowing whether they're still good to use or not. One of them is a float test. I've done a video on that before. That's not 100% reliable, but it is a good indication of how old the egg is. Another one, of course, is candling the eggs, and of course I've done videos on candling eggs when you're incubating them. But yeah, just hold a torch up, make sure you can't see any little veins or anything in the eggs, they're not developing. Another very quick way, give them a bit of a shake. If you can actually feel blop, 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 no good. Okay, yeah. So those are 3 things you can do. However, because none of them are completely 100%, before I use them, I'm going to crack each one into a cup first, just in case. Now, on top of all this, we're going to pour out your ghee mixture. So I just filled them until they're nearly full up. I'm just going to give them a little mix around, and then I'm just going to top them up with the rest of that eggy mixture. Now, normally 12 eggs will do, but just because I had all 14 of them that I really wanted to use up, I've got a little bit more mixture than I normally would. So I'm going to chuck those in the oven and see how they come out. Look at those. So, they were in the oven at 175 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now they'll probably just sink down a bit. Normally I don't fill them up quite that much, but do they look awesome or what? So I'm going to let them cool down. I'll have a wee taste tester, and we'll see you back here. So, as you can see, these have now deflated. Still a bit warm, so don't look as impressive as they first came out, but they still look yummy. So, I'm going to get these out, might get a knife to help them come out. Oh, yummy. I'm gonna have a wee taster. These are still a bit warm. Hang on, I have to divvy this up for small people to have a taster as well.
Yummy.
I mean, of course it depends. It'll taste of whatever you put in it. I mean, I can taste the ham in there. I can taste the onion.
I can taste the eggy.
Well, yeah, it's mostly made of egg. Aston can taste the egg. So now I did forget to put a bit of cheese on top just before I put them in the oven. So I did actually just open up the oven and quickly sprinkle a bit of cheese on. So that's just nice with that nice little cheesy topping. What do you reckon, guys?
Yum. Yum.
It's good, is it? There's a thumbs up going on down here from Aston. There we go. So there we go. If you've got a ton of eggs to use up, your chickens have rebelled, laid them somewhere else, and then you found a stash, this is what you make. Hit like, share the video, hit subscribe, make some eggy thingies, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.
Can we have one?
Not right now, 'cause you're about to have dinner.
Can we please have one of those for dinner?